There's a moment just before the exit when everything goes quiet. Your heart's racing, your mind's still, and in that space between control and chaos, that's where we live. Welcome to The Leading Edge, the podcast that dives into the art, science, and soul of wingsuiting. We talk to the people shaping human flight, the pioneers, the coaches, the innovators, the dreamers. 15 minutes, one story, endless sky. This isn't about hype, it's about truth, precision, and passion, from the first flight to the final approach. I'm Jack Peploe. Join me on The Leading Edge.